This is an old Ford F1 or F100, I think that is. It's in like really nice condition. Look at that. It's pimping. And a Corvair. Look at that. And a Corvair. Yeah.